I thought I'd give you an update on my wonderful plants. As you can see, this one over here has grown very tall. It actually like loops around. And what this is looping through here from this plant, and it stems off and comes over to this one and comes around and back up and all the way over here now. It's craziness. This one I actually topped because it was right up to the ceiling twice, and I finally just cut the top off twice, and it's not growing up anymore. But oh, look at that, you're seeing red. They're coming in. Very exciting. There's some nice tomatoes coming in. I'll probably pick those tomorrow. And we got some more in there. There's some more flowers coming, little by little. Hi, in the window. Way up. That's gonna be fun. Hopefully they grow. And we got a nice little grouping right here. Oh, that's lovely. So precious. All sorts coming in. So I've been hand pollinating, of course. I just use earbuds and shaking. I just like, these ones are closed right now, but when they're open, I'll just come along and give them like little tappings, and I tap the plant and makes them toughen up a little too. And I'll just tap, give it a little like air, and then I have the fan here, and I'll turn the fan on once in a while and leave it on for quite a few hours and give him, helps him toughen up too, get the stem a little stronger. Oh, look at you coming in there, little baby. Most of these are all gone. I stay up on them pretty good because they started going crazy. As you can see, I let this one grow. So here's the original in here, which is tied in right here. And then these two little ones grew out, and I just let them grow. So here's one is now coming all the way around back through here. And up through here. So it's nice and big. And the second extra one is coming up here, and that's the second. And I know that they say that doing this could make the main plant have trouble, but these tomatoes are actually coming off this. It like comes up here, so there's a double loop. And as I showed you earlier, it comes around over to this one, is tied on here, goes around behind, comes around, and is going all the way up there and then turns in. So that's half of this middle one anyways. And then the other half coming here splits off again, as you can see, through here. And then that's where these tomatoes are coming from. Comes down here. And then this is where this big bad boy is coming, all the way over there. So this middle plant's pretty happy. And then here's the split, and it's coming up all through here. So it's pretty happy. It's hanging over my light. Everything is going insane in here. There's plant everywhere. In fact, I don't even know what's going on behind the light. I should pull that up and get it over the rope somehow. There's insanity. It's gone insane. But it's my first time. First time ever. Super excited. Yeah. Nice little bunch going on back here. So we've got tomatoes. I don't know if I can call that 3 plants anymore. Like a bunch of plants. And then we have cucumbers, which are kind of growing in, but they're not seeming to do super well. So far I've had a bunch like that. Are you gonna focus? Focus? Focusing? Focusing? No? Focusing? Maybe? Too much light? I don't know. Anyway, there's tons of those little guys, and they keep coming in that way. Hopefully you're enjoying these slippers. Oh, that's a good look, huh? Oh, yeah. COVID fashion. They're all over, but they're not doing super well. And so far, I'm not getting any of them really living. I've had a bunch get a little bit bigger. That's the best one so far, but it's like not even a finger at this point. So hopefully, I don't know, if you have any tips, what's going on, why they're not making it and then dying off, maybe more fertilizer. I'm basically just watering now and fertilizing through that through the self-watering through here and in through the thing. And I put the fertilizer directly in, and that seems to be working a little better. I was putting the fertilizer with water in through the soil, and obviously this light setup is kind of crap because it doesn't have the thing to put it up. So I want to get some sort of, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but I want to get some sort of like hooks or something for the little holes, and then maybe put some rods in and set it up so it can go over top. Right now what I'm doing is just switching which side the light is on and moving it around, but that's not super ideal. There you go. I've got some nice bamboo poles to help hold stuff off the soil, and there's really just 2 plants in this whole big tub, so plenty of soil in there. I was planning to have 2 cucumber plants and a whole row of lettuce, but that did not work out. Nor did my basil make it. None of my basils. They've all died. Could have been a fertilizer issue. In fact, there's the last remnants of the last basil that held on the longest. Poor little guy. Was doing so well, and then I fertilized into the soil, and then it just poof. There we go. Indoor gardening, completely indoor. A little bit of an east window and lights.